Hello, friends. Today we will be talking about ricotta cheese. We'll talk about what it is, how it's made, and how you can use it. So grab your glass of wine and let's get to it. It is soft and creamy. It has more than double the protein per kilogram than beef. And guess what? It's not just for pasta anymore. You can use it for lasagna or even for dessert. Yes, you heard me right, dessert. The product that I'm talking about today is ricotta cheese. The word ricotta actually means curds in Italian, and in Italian cuisine it's known as a fresh cheese, meaning that it hasn't been aged or fermented like cheddar or Parmesan. Most Italian cheeses are made by using cow's milk, but goat, sheep, or even buffalo milk can be used. The milk is heated, and then acid is added to it to separate the liquid whey from the solid curds. The curds are then put into molds to drain off the excess whey. The result is a soft, moist, and somewhat grainy texture with a mild, slightly salty flavor. If you're looking for a high-protein, low-fat dairy option, then this cheese is perfect for you. It is 21% protein while being only 4.5 grams of fat per 100 grams. That's 5 times less protein than lean beef, which is around 26 grams per 100 grams. It is also very versatile and can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. Today, I'd like to share a few interesting ways that you can use this cheese. But before we do so, if you love learning new things about healthy food options, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's get back to those delicious recipes. Cannelloni with spinach and ricotta filling. Cannelloni is an Italian dish made with large tubes of pasta that are filled with a variety of ingredients, including the star of our show, ricotta cheese. This dish is typically made by using a rich house-made pasta dough and a variety of fillings such as meats, cheeses, or vegetables. In this recipe, we're going to fill them with a mixture of spinach and ricotta cheese. The tube pasta is then topped with a tomato-based sauce or a creamy sauce like bechamel and baked in the oven until golden brown and bubbly. Cannelloni with spinach and ricotta filling is a hearty and flavorful meal that is perfect for a special occasion or a cozy night in. The combination of the soft and creamy ricotta cheese with the fresh spinach is simply delicious. Another way to enjoy this cheese is in a lasagna. Lasagna is a traditional Italian dish consisting of layers of pasta, sauce, and cheese. In this recipe, we'll use the ever-popular Bolognese sauce, a rich meat-based sauce originating from the Italian city of Bologna. Each layer of lasagna is carefully crafted to perfection, starting with the pasta sheets. These are then topped with a generous amount of Bolognese sauce followed by a layer of the soft and creamy ricotta cheese. The lasagna is then baked to perfection, resulting in a golden-hued casserole that is sure to impress any guest. But wait, there's more. Before we move on to some more creative uses for this cheese, let's take a closer look at its nutritional profile. A 100-gram serving of ricotta cheese contains approximately 180 calories, 13 grams of protein, and 11 grams of fat. It is also a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin B12. What's more, this cheese is naturally lactose-free because the majority of the liquid whey is separated during processing. Now, let's explore some additional uses for this cheese. Torta pasqualina is a delicious Italian dish made with layers of fresh pasta, ricotta cheese, and herbs. It's named after Saint Paschal Baylon, an Italian bishop who was known for his love of food and wine. This dish is typically made with a rich house-made pasta dough and a variety of fresh herbs such as parsley, sage, and rosemary. The soft and creamy ricotta cheese is mixed with the herbs and then spread over the pasta. The torta then bakes in the oven until golden brown and fragrant. The result is a unique and flavorful dish that is perfect for a special occasion or a cozy night in. Gnudi are a type of Italian dumpling that consists of just cheese and flour. They are similar to ravioli or tortellini, except they are not wrapped or stuffed. Instead, they are boiled in water and then served with a sauce. The star of the show here is once again ricotta cheese. When making gnudi, the ricotta cheese is combined with flour to form a dough-like consistency. This dough is then rolled out into small balls and dropped into boiling water. Once the gnocchi are cooked, they are often served with a simple sauce such as tomato or pesto. But now let's get really creative. Stuffed dates with ricotta cheese. This dish is a delicious appetizer that combines the sweetness of dates with the creaminess of ricotta cheese. Medjool dates are pitted and then stuffed with a mixture of ricotta cheese and spices. The dates are then rolled in chopped nuts or cocoa powder for added flavor and texture. This dish is perfect for a party or a romantic dinner. Another amazing option is fried ricotta cheese. Who doesn't love deep-fried cheese? In this recipe, the ricotta cheese is combined with flour and eggs to form a batter. The batter is then dropped into hot oil and fried until golden brown. The cheese can be served hot with a dipping sauce of your choice. Just make sure it's not sweet. But wait, there's more. We have one more sweet option for you, cannoli. Cannoli are a type of Italian pastry that consists of a crispy fried shell that is filled with a sweet ricotta cheese mixture. The shell is typically deep-fried and then dusted with powdered sugar. The ricotta cheese is combined with sugar and vanilla extract to form a sweet and creamy filling. The two are then combined, and the result is a delicious dessert that is perfect for any occasion. This cheese is a true Italian staple, and for good reason. Its soft and creamy texture, mild flavor, and high protein content make it a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. Whether you are looking for a quick and easy weeknight meal or a show-stopping dessert, ricotta cheese is sure to impress. So next time you head to the grocery store, be sure to pick up a tub of this delicious cheese and experiment with some of these amazing recipes. We hope you enjoyed learning all about the wonderful world of ricotta cheese. Don't forget to leave us a comment below with your favorite ways to use this versatile ingredient. And of course, if you're a fan of our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all our latest videos. Until next time, happy cooking!